Alright, the way the game is gonna work. 3 cats are gonna walk up to the screen. You're gonna see their paws, and you get to try to guess which cat it is. And while this video is mostly meant for my nieces because they know the cats personally, anybody can play along. So good luck, have fun, and enjoy the video. Feel free to pause and point to the cat if you don't know their names. But do me a favor and let me know in the comments below how many you got right at the end of the video. Last chance, pause the video and take your guess. Thank you for watching. How many did you get right? Way to go. You have a great day. Bye.